Here we have a quilt that we've put a sleeve on. It's the same type of sleeve you might find on a quilt that has been hung from a beam or a bar or a pole. But we don't advocate that anymore because there's no way to adjust for irregularities in the quilt. Whereas the aluminum slat allows us to do that. We have one slat on our wall that we can use for objects of any size. You can imagine a big wide thing like a quilt. If we had one strip of galvanneal steel going all the way through, we would have to sort of store a lot of pieces of it. So instead what we had SmallCorp do for us is make us a permanent slat for our wall, and then we have 3 pieces of galvanneal that add up to the full length of our slat. Then when we have something that's shorter than that, we just overlap the steel plates inside the sleeve until they are the proper length, and then we put it up on the wall.